my request is to the young generation, the youngsters. Whatever comes to your mind, now you can ask. Based upon whatever we have discussed, or any challenges you are facing in your studies, in your personal life, you may ask questions one by one. Only serious questions, please. Yes, please.
How do you think we can organize ourselves better by having a mixture of both our curriculum, extracurricular activities as well as studies?
This is the first D. This your question comes under the category of first D. You have to define clearly what are your priorities, what you wish to do and how long. That way, here I used to give a liberty to you people. The reason is, you have to decide yourself. You have to prioritize your requirement, what you wish to do, at what time. As per the time available, the time slots available to you. You can choose. You can plan your day, and accordingly, you can from rising in the morning till sleeping at the night. So that's 100% your responsibility. You have to be happy under all cases, under all circumstances. This is my submission.
So, what are the activities we can prefer while studying to manage the stress?
Yes, I can understand this, that our young generation is very much stressed. So you have to define what is the optimal period of study. I think biologically also, we should not sit down for more than 1 or 1 to half an hour. This varies from person to person. But if you are feeling stressed, you should take a break then and there. You should get up, stretch your body parts, have a look, have a round, or go to the kitchen, open the fridge, take out something to drink, or go to the family members, have a chat with them, or have a fight with your youngsters or your younger brother or elder brother, whatever is there. And that way you can ease your stress. Yes, please.
I got frustrated very easily. How can I keep myself calm? I thought it's very distraction for my studies, so suggest something.
Yeah, that's great. Got frustrated is used to happen whenever we are unclear about our goal, when we are not sure about our priorities, or we are unable to get the desired results. Then only it happens that we are not going the way we wanted. So here it is that you should take the help of Success 24/7, because here is a complete process, success as acceleration process, and we used to monitor your progress, day-to-day progress with your family. Yes.
How to maintain our concentration level?
To maximize your concentration, I would suggest that you should have some morning walk, you should have some breathing exercises or some meditation. You should find some time to listen to your favorite music or your favorite soap at the TV, whatever you feel, or have a chit chat with your friends. The point is that it should not be very long. It should be very precise. Otherwise, your mind would be indulged into that activity. After refreshing your mind, you can come back and you will see that your concentration has already been enhanced. Yes, next please. Yes.
So what are the other activities that I can do along with the studies to increase my confidence?
Yes. Confidence is an integrated thing. It's a compound effect of various things. Various personality traits such as communication, your presentation skill, how do you organize yourself, your activities, your daily routine, your family affairs, your college or school affairs, and your personal affairs. If you are able to do a sync with all these, then you are confident. If you are getting good results in your studies, you are very good in your relationship. If you are comfortable while talking to others, then you are much more confident and the most sought for person around.
How many time we have to give to our other activities?
Yes, there should be a balance in your all the activities. There is a term, planning your day, which you will learn here only. And during this plan your day, you will prioritize your studies, your health, your personal, your family life, time with your friends, and for your time for your personal development. That way, you can design your activities suitable to your time schedule as well as to your life and goal.
Sir, what one should do to be focused on his goal?
You have to focus on your goal only. Again, I am repeating that you have to focus on your goal and listen to your heart and make a balance in your daily routine as well as in your studies, and you will find that all activities which are good or enhancing you towards your goal are your friends, and happily you can do that without compromising your happiness. You will be able to do anything, and you will be perfect within a very short period when you start adopting these principles, the Success Accelerator program. Yes, please.
सर, मैं आपके माध्यम से ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि सक्सेस पाने के लिए कितनी टाइम स्टडी बहुत ज़रूरी है। हर पेरेंट्स जो बच्चों के ऊपर टाइम बहुत लगाते हैं, 8 घंटे स्टडी ज़रूरी है, 10 घंटे स्टडी ज़रूरी है, कितने घंटे स्टडी ज़रूरी है अच्छी सक्सेस पाने के लिए? सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चे पर बहुत बर्डन डाल देते हैं, 10 घंटे करो जी, 12 घंटे करो जी।
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। ये कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं है। यू माइट हैव लिसन 10 घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए, 12 घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए, 8 घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए। I wish to add that quality time should be there. If you are studying for shorter period with a quality of concentration, then certainly you will be able to achieve much more. In case of any, when the children are pursuing in up to graduation or post graduation, 5 to 6 hours regular study will give you the desired result, because much more than that you cannot. If you will do that, then you will be hampering your progress. The reason is it's the mind game. If you will destroy your mental peace, your stress level will increase like anything and you will not be able to concentrate. So please don't give your ear to the people or the other fellows, to friends or to other youngsters who are saying that I used to study 10 hours or 12 hours. It is totally unimaginable. हमें 24 ही घंटे मिले हैं, गरीब हो अमीर हो सभी को 24 घंटे मिलते हैं. I'm sure you do agree with me? Yes, of course. And out of these 24 hours, how should we divide? The ideal is we should divide 24 by 3. So 8 hours are needed for a perfect health. And of course, we all need a perfect health, because without health, we cannot be happy. We cannot be successful. And if हो भी जाते हैं तो क्या फायदा उसका? एक बीमार आदमी को कभी सक्सेसफुल होते देखा नहीं होगा आपने. तो एक परफेक्ट हेल्थ के लिए एक साउंड स्लीप फॉर 8 hours इज नीडेड, विच ऑल ऑफ अस शुड एंजॉय इन आवर लाइफ.
सर, हमें अपने बच्चों की क्या हेल्प करनी चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चे अपने फोकस को गोल कर सकें? क्या क्या उनकी मदद करनी चाहिए?
सारी मदद हम पेरेंट्स ही दे सकते हैं. वो है हमारा घर. हम अपने घर को ही अगर सक्सेस लैब में कन्वर्ट कर लें, और ये कैसे होगा कि आप उनके साथ वो बातें करें जो उनको गोल की तरफ लेके जाएं, जो उनको एनकरेज करें, अगर बच्चा बाहर से कुछ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट भी लेके आया है तो उसे प्यार से थपथपा के गले लगा के एक बात कहें कि चिंता मत कर, देखते हैं क्या हुआ है, कहाँ पे गलती हुई है, एंड वी विल डू इट टुगेदर, वी विल डू इट। उसे अपने साथ होने का एहसास कराएं, कभी उसे अकेला ना छोड़ें। अगर ऐसा हुआ तो बच्चे आपको कभी निराश नहीं करेंगे और उस जगह पे आपको पहुंचा देंगे जो आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा। यस प्लीज। यस मैडम।
सर, बच्चे इतनी मेहनत करते हैं फिर भी उन्हें सफलता क्यों नहीं मिलती?
ये क्वेश्चन है तो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है, पर यहाँ मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, वो है डायरेक्शन की। अगर बच्चे सही डायरेक्शन में मेहनत करें तो ये सवाल ही नहीं उठेगा। जैसे मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देना चाहूँगा, एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगा, एक दरवाजे की। एक दरवाज़ा है, वो बाहर की तरफ खुलता है और हम उसे अंदर की तरफ खोलना चाहते हैं, तो कितना भी समय लगा लें, कितने भी एफर्ट्स कर लें, तो दरवाज़ा नहीं खुलेगा। हाँ, टूट जरूर सकता है अगर बहुत ज़्यादा पुश कर दिए। जबकि इसका उल्टा है, अगर सही डायरेक्शन में खोला जाए तो थोड़ी सी मेहनत के साथ ही वो दरवाज़ा खुल जाता है। ऐसा ही कुछ सफलता के साथ होता है। सही डायरेक्शन में मेहनत की हुई मेहनत हमें बिल्कुल 100% सफलता की ओर लेके जाती है। तो अगर आपका क्वेश्चन मैं मान लूँ कि ये सही है, तो फिर इसमें एक ही बात है कि अभी गोल क्लियर नहीं है और बच्चे का ध्यान कहीं और है, वो डिफोकस्ड है और उसकी जो एनर्जी है, चाहे वो कितना टाइम पढ़ाई में लगा रहा है, या तो वो पढ़ नहीं रहा है, कुछ और कर रहा है, और पढ़ रहा है तो सही डायरेक्शन में नहीं पढ़ पा रहा है। Is there any other question left? Now it is for all you viewers. If you do have any question in your mind related to your life or your career, kindly send your question after logging in on my website, and you will get, I promise that you will get the reply within 24 hours. And I appeal all the parents and the youngsters sitting here that any question comes to your mind, never ever bother. Just SMS or send an email at my website and you will get the reply. Don't worry, all the questions related to your life and career would be answered optimally. Thank you very much. Thank you parents, thank you students, thank you youngsters, thank you very much.